Introducing the Moretoes 25-pack cupcake containers with 300 cupcake liners, the ultimate solution for all your cupcake storage and transportation needs. With its unbeatable value and high-quality material, this product is a must-have for any baking enthusiast. Let's start with the unbeatable value that this pack offers. It includes 25 sturdy cupcake holders and 300 cupcake liners, allowing you to store and transport up to 300 cupcakes in total. Imagine the convenience of carrying 12 full-sized cupcakes with just one hand. Made of non-toxic, food-grade PET plastic, these cupcake containers are not only safe but also extremely durable. You can trust that your cupcakes will be securely held in place without any risk of damage. Plus, the containers are designed to perfectly fit standard-sized cupcakes, with each cupcake compartment having a bottom diameter of 2 inches. One of the standout features of these containers is their high dome design. The tall dome lids provide ample space for frosting and decorations, making it perfect for cupcakes with tall frosting. Say goodbye to any worries about your beautiful icing sticking to the lid. No matter the occasion, these cupcake containers are the go-to choice. Whether it's a wedding, baby shower, birthday party, or holiday celebration, you can trust that your cupcakes will be displayed and transported with utmost care and elegance. Now, let's talk about some additional product information. The cupcake carrier dimensions measure 12.5 x 10 by 3.75 inches, perfectly accommodating the size of 1 dozen cupcakes. It has a rectangular shape, ensuring a snug fit for your cupcakes. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US, and if you're located internationally, you may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please ensure compatibility before making a purchase. In conclusion, the Moretoes 25-pack cupcake containers with 300 cupcake liners is the ultimate solution for all your cupcake storage and transportation needs. With its unbeatable value, high-quality material, and versatile design, this product is a must-have for any baking enthusiast. Order yours today and enjoy the convenience and elegance it brings to your baking journey.